What if everyone on Earth did the same thing at the exact same time? Imagine 8 billion people from every corner of the globe acting in perfect unison. Would our collective action shake the world? Could we create a planet-altering event? Let's explore 3 simple actions: everyone jumping, everyone clapping, and everyone turning off their lights. Would these acts trigger earthquakes, deafening booms, or global blackouts? By examining these scenarios, we'll see how humanity's power stacks up against the immense scale of our planet. Ready to find out what really happens when the world acts as one? Let's start with the jump. Picture a global countdown. 8 billion people leap into the air, then land together. Would this cause an earthquake or shift the Earth's orbit? The total mass of humanity is about 500 billion kilograms. Earth's mass? 6 sextillion kilograms. Compared to the planet, we're like a single bacterium on a bowling ball. When we jump, we push the Earth ever so slightly, less than the width of an atom. Landing would register as a faint tremor, maybe a slight shudder in crowded cities, but nothing more. The energy would dissipate almost instantly, lost in the planet's constant geological noise. As for shifting the orbit, impossible. Our jump is an internal action, like trying to lift yourself by your own shoelaces. The Earth's immense inertia means it wouldn't even notice our unified hop. In the end, our jump is a blip, spectacular for us, but meaningless to the planet. Now imagine everyone clapping at once. Would 8 billion claps create a world-shaking sound? If we were all in one place, the noise would be catastrophic. Over 200 decibels, enough to cause instant harm. But we're spread out, so the sound waves don't combine. Instead, cities would experience a deafening roar, maybe rattling windows and setting off car alarms. In rural areas, it'd be a brief, loud moment. The sound would fade quickly, absorbed by the atmosphere and lost within minutes. No global sonic boom, no lasting impact, just a fleeting, local burst of noise. Satellites might detect a tiny atmospheric ripple, but nothing significant. The great global clap would be a stunning shared moment, but the world would return to quiet almost instantly. Our ears might ring, but the planet wouldn't even flinch. Now, what if everyone turned off a light at the same moment? From space, city lights would vanish, plunging continents into darkness, a breathtaking sight. But what about the power grid? Grids are designed to balance supply and demand. A sudden massive drop in demand would cause a surge, triggering safety systems. Some power plants might disconnect to protect themselves, causing brief blackouts. Grid operators would scramble to stabilize the system, but most essential devices would still draw power. After a few minutes, the grid would recover and lights would come back on. The most lasting effect? Incredible satellite images and a real-world stress test for engineers. The blackout would be temporary. Our technology would bend, not break. What do these scenarios have in common? Our unified actions create dramatic but fleeting local effects. The energy from our jump is like a small earthquake. Earth experiences thousands of these daily. Our global clap is a drop in the atmospheric ocean, dwarfed by a single thunderstorm. Turning off the lights is a surface-level event. The planet keeps spinning, oblivious. Our grids are built to handle shocks, and nature absorbs our efforts with ease. We are part of Earth's systems, not separate from them. The planet's immense inertia and resilience mean our biggest stunts barely register. Even 8 billion people acting together is, to the Earth, a tiny blip. If our actions barely touch the planet, do they matter? Absolutely. The real impact is symbolic, a moment of global unity. Imagine the organization required, a single action, a single time, shared by all. For one instant, borders, languages, and differences would fade as we act together. The preparation alone would demand unprecedented cooperation. The act itself would be deeply personal, yet universally shared. Billions would know they're part of something bigger, a global tapestry of connection. This unity is powerful, reminding us we all share one world. While a single jump won't move the Earth, the unity behind it could move us. The greatest impact is on our sense of what's possible, together. Our thought experiments reveal a truth. A single dramatic act is powerful as a symbol, but real change takes time. The Earth is too vast to be changed by a momentary event. Lasting impact comes from sustained, collective action, billions of small choices day after day. To fight climate change, we need ongoing commitment, not just a one-second blackout. The same goes for ending hunger or protecting nature. Complex problems need long-term solutions. True progress requires a culture of cooperation and responsibility. A unified moment can inspire us, but it's the steady steps that change the world. Not one giant leap, but billions of steps, together, every day.